G'day everyone. Welcome to this healing meditation for degenerative disc disease, scoliosis, and memory loss. My name is Spirit, and I'll be your guide on this journey inward. If you're struggling with back pain, spinal curvature, or mental fog, know that you're not alone. Through focused relaxation and visualization, we can tap into the body's innate healing abilities. This meditation will guide you through specific visualizations, targeting the health of your spine and the clarity of your mind. Let go of any skepticism or doubt and approach this practice with an open heart and a receptive mind. The soothing frequencies of 528 Hz music playing in the background are known for their healing properties. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit with your legs crossed on a cushion or lie down on your back. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Repeat this deep breathing cycle a few more times, each time feeling your body becoming more and more relaxed. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. As you focus on your breath, you might notice other sensations in your body. Simply observe these sensations without judgment. As we continue to breathe deeply, imagine that with each inhale, you're drawing in vibrant, healing energy from the universe. With each exhale, visualize any negativity, pain, or blockage leaving your body. Visualize your spine as a straight, strong, and flexible rod of light, extending from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. Imagine each vertebra bathed in a warm golden light, representing healing and rejuvenation. Let's begin our journey of healing by bringing our attention to the base of our spine, the root chakra area. Imagine a warm, grounding energy, a vibrant red color flowing into this area. Feel it grounding you, anchoring you to the present moment. Now, bring your awareness to your tailbone, the very bottom of your spine. Visualize it bathed in a healing white light. As you breathe deeply, imagine this white light spreading outward, encompassing the sacrum, the bone just above the coccyx. See the light gently massaging the sacrum, releasing any tightness or restriction. Feel the muscles surrounding your sacrum relaxing and softening with each breath. Now, bring your awareness to the lumbar region of your spine, the lower back. Visualize each vertebra in your lumbar spine, from L1 to L5, bathed in that rejuvenating white light. Imagine the discs absorbing the light, becoming plump and hydrated, regaining their youthful resilience. Focus on the nucleus pulposus, the gel-like center of each disc, which acts as a shock absorber. See it replenished and revitalized, allowing for smooth and pain-free movement. Feel the space between each vertebra expanding, creating more room for the nerves to flow freely. Now visualize the annulus fibrosus, the strong outer layer of each disc, being repaired and strengthened. As you breathe, imagine the healing light extending outward from your lumbar spine, encompassing the surrounding muscles and ligaments. Feel the muscles relaxing, releasing any tension or spasm. Sense the ligaments becoming more supple and elastic, providing better support and stability to your lower back. With each breath, you are promoting circulation, bringing vital nutrients and oxygen to your spine. You are creating the optimal environment for healing and regeneration. Now, let's gently shift our attention upward, moving from the lumbar spine to the thoracic spine, the middle part of your back. Imagine a beautiful green light emanating from your heart center, flowing towards your thoracic spine. Feel its soothing warmth as it envelops each vertebra, from T1 to T12. Visualize the green light penetrating deep into the thoracic vertebrae, nourishing and revitalizing the bone marrow within. Feel the muscles surrounding your thoracic spine softening and relaxing, releasing any tension or tightness. Imagine the ribs which attach to the thoracic vertebrae gently expanding and contracting with each breath. Now bring your attention to the intervertebral discs in your thoracic spine. See them bathed in the healing green light, becoming more supple and resilient. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, like a soft wave, flowing through your thoracic spine, soothing and calming. Each inhale brings in revitalizing energy, and each exhale releases any remaining tension or discomfort. Visualize the spaces between your ribs expanding, allowing your lungs to fully inflate, drawing in life-giving oxygen with every inhale. As you breathe deeply, imagine the green healing light expanding further, enveloping your shoulder blades. Feel any knots or tension melt away from your shoulders, replaced by a sense of lightness and ease. Visualize your heart, glowing brightly with that emerald green light, radiating love and vitality throughout your entire being. With each breath, affirm to yourself, "My spine is strong and healthy, my body is capable of healing." Let's now turn our attention to the scoliosis, that gentle curvature of the spine. Know that this is a common condition, and through visualization and mindful intention, we can encourage the body's natural ability to realign and strengthen. Bring your awareness to the very top of your spine, to your cervical spine, those 7 vertebrae that support your neck and head. Visualize each vertebra from C1 to C7, bathed in a soothing blue light, a color associated with calmness, clarity, and communication. This blue light represents the healing power of water, flowing effortlessly, adapting to its surroundings. Imagine this blue light gently flowing along the natural curves of your spine, encouraging a gentle straightening, a return to its natural alignment. See the muscles surrounding your spine relaxing and lengthening, releasing any tightness or imbalances that may be contributing to the curvature. Visualize the ligaments, those strong bands of tissue that connect the vertebrae, becoming more flexible and supple, allowing for greater ease of movement. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine your spine lengthening and straightening like a young sapling reaching towards the sun. Feel your head lifting gently towards the sky, your chin tucked in slightly, creating a sense of length and space throughout your entire spine. Visualize the vertebrae stacking effortlessly on top of each other, creating a strong and stable column of support. See the intervertebral discs in your cervical spine, those cushions between the vertebrae, becoming plump and hydrated, restoring their natural shock-absorbing abilities. Imagine the nerves that run through your spine, carrying messages from your brain to the rest of your body, flowing freely and effortlessly, unobstructed by any tension or compression. Feel a sense of gratitude for your spine, for its strength, its flexibility, and its ability to support you in everything you do. Affirm to yourself, "My spine is aligning perfectly. I am balanced, strong, and free." And now, let's shift our focus from the physical to the mental, embarking on a journey into the magnificent landscape of your mind. Imagine your awareness gently lifting, rising from the crown of your head, like a delicate feather on a summer breeze. Visualize yourself surrounded by a boundless expanse of shimmering light, a tapestry woven from countless threads of energy. Within this luminous expanse, envision your brain, the command center of your being, pulsating with a gentle, rhythmic light. Imagine countless tiny sparks igniting within the hippocampus, each spark representing a memory being formed, a connection being strengthened. See these sparks multiplying, spreading throughout your brain, illuminating the vast network of neural pathways. As you breathe, visualize these neural pathways becoming more defined, like well-trodden paths through a forest, allowing information to flow effortlessly through your mind. Feel a sense of expansion and clarity as you witness the incredible power of your own mind to heal, grow, and evolve. Now, shift your attention to the prefrontal cortex, the area behind your forehead, responsible for higher-level thinking, decision-making, and working memory. Visualize this area bathed in a cool, calming blue light, representing focus, concentration, and mental acuity. Feel your mind becoming sharper, more alert, better able to process information and make clear, confident decisions. Imagine yourself effortlessly recalling names, dates, and important details, your mind working with precision and efficiency. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow the golden and blue lights to merge and blend within your brain, creating a harmonious balance between enhanced memory and focused concentration. Affirm to yourself, "My mind is clear and sharp. I remember with ease. I am a master of my thoughts and memories." Imagine your mind as a vast library, each book a memory, an experience, a piece of knowledge. Your footsteps echo softly, the air filled with the scent of old paper and leather. The books are vibrant and alive with color. The titles are clear, and the pages turn effortlessly. Memories come flooding back with vivid detail. There is no pain, only peace and understanding. You can access any memory whenever you need it. Let those visualizations fade, allowing your mind to rest in peaceful stillness. We'll use affirmations, positive statements, to reprogram our subconscious and promote healing. Words shape our thoughts, beliefs, and reality. Repeat after me. My spine is strong, healthy, and flexible. Feel these words vibrating through your spine. Visualize each vertebra aligning perfectly. My body is capable of incredible healing. Next, we'll direct our affirmations towards enhancing memory and cognitive function. Repeat with conviction. My mind is sharp, clear, and focused. Visualize your brain vibrant and alert, firing on all cylinders. I remember with ease and clarity. Feel a sense of confidence in your ability to learn, retain, and access knowledge. My memory is improving every day. Believe in the power of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself and create new connections. Finally, let's affirm our overall health and well-being. Repeat these powerful words. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of life. Remember, the true power of these affirmations lies in repetition and feeling. Make it a daily ritual to repeat these affirmations, either in the morning or evening. Truly feel the meaning behind the words. Visualize the desired outcome as if it were already happening. Embody these affirmations to imprint them on your subconscious mind. Gentle exercise and a healthy diet support your healing journey. Stress management techniques like deep breathing and meditation are crucial. You have within you everything you need to heal and thrive. As we begin to gently draw this meditation to a close, let the silence settle around you. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath, a soothing rhythm that connects you to the present moment. The seeds of healing we've sown today will continue to sprout, grow, and blossom. Keep that sense of peace alive within you as you move through your day. Trust that your body is designed to heal itself, and you've activated those mechanisms today. Embrace this moment of stillness, knowing you are exactly where you need to be on your journey. Acknowledge the power of your mind and the capacity of your body to heal. Cultivate gratitude for life and its experiences. Carry the peace and clarity from this meditation into your day. Let it guide your thoughts, words, and actions. Embrace healing and a fulfilling future. Now gently begin to bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Feel the weight of your body resting comfortably. Notice any sounds around you, the temperature of the air on your skin. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, allowing yourself to slowly return to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the energy flowing through your body, invigorated and renewed. As you move through your day, carry with you the sense of peace, clarity, and empowerment that you've cultivated during this meditation. Remember that you are a powerful being, capable of creating profound healing and transformation in your life. Embrace the journey, trust in the process, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey inward. May you continue to heal, grow, and thrive in all areas of your life. Until next time, take care.